Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dolphin 254, and today's video is all about fridge organization. I'm going to show you how I clean and organize my small fridge to at least get some space. So without wasting your time, let's get started. But before then, click the subscribe button below and be part of this family. Let's do this. I always prefer washing everything before I keep them in my fridge, and this is how I do it. I also want to thank you guys for your support. Thank you for your likes, for your views. I don't take them for granted. I really appreciate. So continue supporting me, continue supporting your girl. Good things are yet to come. I always make sure I wrap my fruits and vegetables using my cling film. This helps them to stay so fresh, and it also helps in the shelf life. I had cleaned the fridge yesterday using clean water and vinegar. So today I've just removed everything from the fridge, and I'm not going to wash it again. I'm just wiping it before we organize it together. As you can see guys, my fridge is divided into two sections. We have the upper part, which is the freezer, and this lower part, which also have other small parts. So I'm going to start organizing the lower part, then we'll finish with the freezer later. So for this upper part, I'm going to keep my milk. As you can see guys, I'm storing my milk. Yeah, this place is usually so cold and the temperature is suitable for dairy products. So this is the middle part. Its temperature is also good for other dairy products. So in this section I'm keeping my yogurt, yeah, mala, and eggs, yeah. As you can see guys, I had 2 trays of eggs, so I just had to put them on top of the other, and this also helped me in saving some space. So in this section, this is where I keep my fruits. Yeah, this temperature is not so cold and it's suitable for fruits. And I also keep my leftover foods here. Yeah, these are food that I know I'll eat them after 1 or 2 days. So yeah, I keep them here. So we have my mboga, leftover rice, I have my, yay, this is sukuma wiki. I also have my omena here with me. So I think these are things that I'm going to eat either today or tomorrow. So this is where I keep them. So this is the bottom part of my fridge. This is where I keep all my vegetable. So as you can see guys, I've wrapped all the vegetables using my cling file. This cling file thing has really helped me big time. You see how fresh the vegetables are? So we are done with the middle part of the fridge. I now want to organize the door. So here is where I keep all my juices. Yeah, you can see I have 1 bottle of water. I like keeping my water in 1 bottle instead of piling small bottles in the fridge. It wastes a lot of space. I also keep some of my medicine in the fridge. That's my soy sauce. This is water guard, and this is vinegar. So these are some of the things that I keep at the door of the fridge. So things that can easily be accessed, things that I use all the time. So yeah. We are done with the lower part of the fridge. Now we are going to the freezer. This is where I keep all my frozen food, anything that I know I'll use after a couple of weeks, things like meat, chicken, fish, and ice cream. Yeah. So we are done with cleaning and organizing the fridge. The fridge is so small, but I hope you've learned something. If you have your own method of organizing your fridge, please share with us at the comment section below. I hope you've enjoyed watching me. I hope you've learned something. If you did, please tell us at the comment section below. And until next time, bye.